In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the colors of your charts in Looker Studio. Looker Studio offers a fantastic way to present data in a visually appealing manner, but sometimes you might want to personalize the colors of your charts to better fit your style or brand guidelines. Let's dive straight into how you can achieve that. First off, let's look at how applying a theme can transform your report. Navigate to the Theme and Layout section of your Looker Studio report. Applying a built-in theme is a quick and efficient way to update the entire color palette of your report in just a few clicks. This approach can immediately give your charts a refreshed look with cohesive and professionally picked colors. However, if you wish to have a more personalized touch, customizing the theme allows you to change colors for static elements like backgrounds, fonts, and charts, giving you more control over the overall appearance. Next, you might want to color individual components or charts specifically. In Edit mode, go ahead and select the chart you want to customize. Then, head over to the Style tab in the Properties panel. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on the color setting you want to adjust will open up the color picker. Now, you have a few options to choose from. You can either select from a standard palette, use theme-based colors for consistency, or go wild with a custom palette where you can input exact hex values for that precise shade you're aiming for. Let's explore how you can color the data with the Color By options, which adds a layer of flexibility to your data presentation. The Color By Dimension Values feature allows you to assign specific colors to dimension values. Imagine having France always appear as blue, irrespective of its position. This can make data interpretation much clearer. Alternatively, you can color by series, slice, or bar order. This option is particularly handy if you want the leading value to maintain a consistent color across similar charts. For those who prefer a minimalistic approach, opting for a single color with different shades can be just perfect. This method emphasizes data points without unnecessary distractions, highlighting trends or important values in a simpler, more elegant fashion. Finally, managing specific series colors gives you precise control over which series inherits which color. To do this, select your chart while in Edit mode, then open the Style tab. Scroll down to find the Color By section. Depending on your chart type, choose the method that best suits your needs, whether it's series order, bar order, or slice order. Clicking on the color swatch allows you to open the color picker and choose a new color for each series, ensuring that your data stands out just the way you like it. And there you have it. With these steps, you can tailor the colors of your Looker Studio charts, making them not only more visually engaging, but also easier to interpret for your audience. Happy customizing!